delicious homemade Arabian Baba Ganoush, dates, and almond milkshake for iftar, Ramadan special, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, the place where we bring you mouth-watering recipes for every occasion. Today, we have a special treat in store for you, homemade Arabian Baba Ganoush, dates, and almond milkshake. Perfect for iftar during the holy month of Ramadan. And I'm thrilled to guide you through this delightful and affordable recipe that's perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1, Baba Ganoush. First up, let's start with the savory delight, Baba Ganoush. Ingredient list for Baba Ganoush. 1. Eggplants. 2. Tahini. 3. Garlic cloves. 4. Lemon juice. 5. Olive oil. 6. Salt and pepper. 7. Fresh parsley, for garnish. Preparation. Begin by roasting the eggplants until their skin is charred. Once done, let them cool, then peel and mash the flesh. Add tahini, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Blend it all together until smooth and creamy. Finally, garnish with fresh parsley for that extra burst of flavor. There you have it, delicious Baba Ganoush ready to be served with pita bread or fresh veggies. Segment 2, Dates and Almond Milkshake. Now, let's move on to the sweet part of our iftar treat, dates and almond milkshake. This rich and nutritious shake is not only delightful but also a great source of energy after a day of fasting. Ingredient list for dates and almond milkshake. 1. Dates. 2. Almonds. 3. Milk, you can use almond milk for a dairy-free option. 4. Honey. 5. Ice cubes. Preparation. Start by soaking a handful of dates and almonds in warm water for about 30 minutes. Once softened, remove the pits from the dates and blend them with the almonds. Add milk and a drizzle of honey, blend until smooth. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Pour over ice cubes, and there you have it, a refreshing dates and almond milkshake that complements the savory Baba Ganoush perfectly. Segment 3, Setting the Iftar Table. Now that we have our delicious Baba Ganoush and dates and almond milkshake, let's talk about setting the perfect iftar table. Presentation matters, especially during Ramadan. Tips for setting the iftar table. 1. Use vibrant and festive tablecloths or placemats. 2. Arrange the food in beautiful serving dishes. 3. Include fresh fruits and a variety of dates. 4. Place a jug of infused water for a refreshing touch. 5. Add some traditional Arabic sweets for a sweet ending. And there you have it, a simple and affordable iftar spread that's perfect for beginners. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. These homemade Arabian Baba Ganoush and dates and almond milkshake are sure to impress your family and friends during the holy month of Ramadan. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delightful recipes. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan. Ma as salama.